In Taizhou, China, a car plunged into a river. Without thinking twice, 40-year-old Di Shuangcheng jumped in, grabbed a stone, and smashed the window to save the trapped driver. He said his mind was calm, only focused on what to do next. Saving the person was the most important thing. On October 18, a landslide occurred on a hillside near the Han River in Yunqi County, Xi'an City, Hubei Province, burying a building. Dramatic video footage shows the tornado that ripped through Ermont, just north of Paris, France, earlier this evening, causing cranes to collapse. There are reports of casualties.
Ah, les filles tombent! Oh là là, papa! Oh! Putain! Oh merde! Papa, binalar! Oh là là! Wesh! Ouais, hepsi düştü. Oh! Vite! Vite, viens! Ça se passe sur la gueule.
Tornade.
Oh, la grue!
Bah, toutes les grues
Dieu
sont
merci,
tombées.
ma voiture. Mon cœur, il bat à 200.
Ah, bah, ça,
Dieu merci, ma voiture, elle a rien.
Regardez tous les arbres. Ah, mais sur les tornades, on est plein.
La voiture de Rudy! La voiture de qui?
Flood in Hatay, Turkey. A disabled woman was swept away by the water in her wheelchair. Heavy rainfall in Hatay caused flooding. The Toprakale İskenderun highway was closed due to a landslide. In Payas, a disabled woman was swept away by the floodwaters in her wheelchair. In Hatay, heavy rain caused some houses and businesses to be flooded, and the Payas-Dortyol section of the Toprakale İskenderun highway was closed to traffic. A woman in a wheelchair was swept away by the waters in Payas, but was saved from death. The heavy rain that started in the districts of İskenderun and Payas at night intensified in the morning hours. Many vehicles were stranded on roads where water puddles formed due to the rainfall, and some houses and businesses were flooded. People in the vehicles were evacuated to safe areas by fire trucks and construction machinery. A woman in a wheelchair who was stranded in the Şehit Yetkin Ershan underpass, filled with water in Payas, was rescued with the help of nearby citizens and fire crews. The woman was taken to the hospital by ambulance. In Cumhuriyet neighborhood, citizens stranded in their flooded homes were rescued by fire crews using boats. In the neighborhood, where some houses and vehicles were damaged due to the flooding, work is underway to drain the